You know, I go through all that and I forget one. What I've got here is I've got 7 2500s, XTS 2500s. All the 2500s are Q-split, and I've got 3 of the Qs. One of the Qs has BES OFB, and the VHFs, I've got 4 of those. As for the XTS 5000s, I've got Q splits, I've got VHF, and I've also got the 800 megahertz you see here. All of them are absolutely mint. Every single one of these has tags. These XTS 5000s, you've seen them new in the box. 2 of them are S-split, which is 450 to 512 NYPD, NYFD, NYPD, LAPD, you know, that split. Really highly sought after. All of them have the FDNY knobs on them. All of them have Moto Turbo antennas. I've got a lot of wide bands. I can have wide bands on any of these VHFs. I can switch those out very easily, because I've got a lot of those in stock. I do have a lot of Moto Turbo antennas in stock. I've got a lot of XTS parts and radios in stock. Chargers, 3.40. Chargers I'm going to probably hold on to. The batteries, the kit number is, I'll just tell you, RNN4006AR. Those are nickel metal hydride Motorola's. They will pump. I haven't gotten on my meter, I haven't gotten anything below 3200 milliamps. That's a lot of power. That's twice as much as a stock Motorola. The laptops are IBM T60s and 1.86 gig processors. Window XP Pro. The cables are OEM Motorola. Docking stations have 9 pinouts and printer ports, along with the mouse, external display ports. And the Wara series multi-charger is gone. It's sold. I have this one left. That is for these units. And that's really all the time I've got. You've seen the other video. But I did forget one XTS 5000 because I had that because I was working on the code plug. Every single one of these radios is ready to scan right out of the box. They're all FPP enabled with the exception of the Model 2s, which are really, really good because I like Model 2s because they're really, really nice just to be able to go through the menus. I like that type of formatted button, but you can't beat Moto Turbo antennas. They make them in GPS and non-GPS, but unless you've got the hardware on the other end, it doesn't matter. But anyway, 11 XTS 5000s, 7 XTS 2500s, and a lot of the 2500s are 2500Is. And that is the XTS series that I've bumped up to. You've seen the Wara series, you've seen the HT1000s, you've seen the MTS 2000s, you've seen the HT1000s. Well, this is pretty much the pinnacle of, unless you want to jump up to an APX, and I really don't want to get involved with an APX, but they're just way too expensive. And I think they're awesome radios, but the XTS 5000s and 2500s, Astro P25, narrowband compliant, interoperability, the design, everything, they're loud. The 2500s are killer. They're quick carry radios, and I mean, for quick carries, just to pick up and go, you know, they're light, they're small, they're compact, and they will take a beating. All of these radios will, and none of them have. But if you want to get a good laptop, IBM is the one to get. Get a docking station with it with a 910 out, because these Motorola cables, the USB is not good to use on unless you absolutely have to. The laptops themselves don't have 910 outs. The docking stations do. In either case, I can plug in the adapter, and I've got this software configured, the driver's loaded, to where it will recognize it and roll in the code plugs, read and write with no problem. That's it. That's all the time I'm going to spend on this. Take it easy, guys. Like I said, a lot of these radios are going out the door, but I'm taking my time with them. They're going to be priced according to what I've got in them, and I've taken a lot of time and money and thought into getting radios that are top tier radios with tags. Everything's legit. You've seen them in the videos, and I mean everything is top shelf on these. Anyway, guys, take it easy. Later on.